Hello guys, welcome back. You can explore here the free tier products with a new AWS account. To learn more about this, visit aws.amazon.com/free. Just click on this link to get on a new tab and here we are. So guys, here you can get a free hands-on experience with the AWS platform, products and lot of services. You can explore more than 100 products by using free tier and start building your own cloud infrastructure. Three different types of free offers are available which you can avail on AWS. First one is always free. These free tier offers do not expire and are available to all AWS customers. Second, 12 months free. This type of offer provides the services for 12 months following your initial sign-up date to AWS. Third one is trials. This provides the short-term free trials offers start from the date you activate a particular service. So guys, here you can get many more products under free tier on AWS. Like Amazon is to about 750 hours per month for compute for 12 months free. Amazon S3 about 5 GB of standard storage for 12 months free. Amazon RDS about 750 hours per month. It is applicable for DB engines, that is database engines. Amazon DynamoDB for database about 25 GB storage, that is always free. Amazon Sagamicos, that is for 2 months free trial. This can be used for machine learning. AWS Lambda, it is always free, and many more products you can see here page wise. So guys, here for 12 months free, these free tiers offer are only available to new AWS customers and are available for 12 months following your AWS sign up date. When your 12-month free usage term expire or if your application use exceeds the tiers, you simply pay standard pay as you go service rates. Always free. These free tier offers do not automatically expire at the end of your 12-month AWS free tier terms, but are available to both existing and new AWS customers indefinitely. Trials. These free tier offers are short-term trial offers that start from the time of first usage begins. Once the trial period expires, you simply pay standard pay-as-you-go service rates. You can learn more about AWS free tier products here by browse through the collection of videos as given here. You can click to learn more about the AWS free tier and how to set up and monitor your account. So let's start to sign up for an AWS account which gives us immediate access to the AWS free tier account. As you can see here, I'm already in sign up page, so let's get started with this. Let's start with the email address and password. Enter again the same password to confirm and then AWS account name. Click on next to proceed this. Yes, it should ask actually, right? Got it. We need to enter here the character as shown here before proceeding this to confirm AWS that I am real, not a robot. So we'll go with this and enter here the given characters for security check to verify this, and we'll go to the next step. Now here we are in the second page to sign up for AWS. Here we need to provide some contact information like full name, phone number, country and address. But before this, we have to select the plan for which plan you are going to choose the AWS, like for business or for personal. I'm here will go with personal plan because it is for my lab and can see for learning purposes. Now we are in third page. We'll go to provide the billing information like credit or debit card number. Don't worry, it will not charge because it is a completely free account for 12 months. It will only deduct 2 INR and will hold it for 3 to 5 days to verify the account. Then it will refund to the same account. I am providing here credit card information. Don't try to see the info because you can't see it. Okay. Here on this page, we'll go to submit this by enter the OTP which can be received in the provided contact number. Once you get the OTP, enter here, then go to submit this, and there you are. It is done successfully. The request will be processing and will confirm the identity. We just need to provide again the country code, mobile phone number, and to pass the security code we just need to enter the given characters. Then go for next to get the message or verification code. Once you receive the 4-digit code, then enter here to continue for next step. On last page, you just need to choose the support plan for which plan you would like to go, for business or the personal account. As I have already mentioned that it will be for my personal uses like training lab, so we'll go with basic support, that is free. If someone of you like to change the plan later on, that you can do it. It can be possible. I will complete the sign up here. Yes, see guys, we have done it successfully and we can see this congratulations page. We are ready to go now with AWS account free for 12 months. AWS will send an email once it gets activated. Let's go to check the email. I will open my Gmail to see that I received the email from AWS. Here is this guy. I got it. Here also the AWS mentioned that it is completely free for 12 months without any charges and can access compute, storage, database application services. Now I am going to sign in on my AWS account from here. Just click on it and we'll get another windows to get access into AWS account. We need to enter by root user email address because first time when we are accessing it, then we must have to log in by root user account only. We will go for next. To pass the security check, we must have to enter the given characters to verify the account. Then we'll enter the password for root user email account and we'll go for next. There we are guys. We are into the billing dashboard. You can see here the AWS account name and the number, that is account number. Here you can see the billing dashboard. You can get here to learn lots of services. One by one I will try to show you, not all but few of them. One more important thing I would like to tell you here, that billing dashboard is not a region wise, it is set to globally. Now we will go on a training section. You can get it from here, support, and go down to select the training. Okay, you will be there on training and certification page. You will get the option to explore training and prepare for certification. Just scroll down to get the latest in AWS training and certification. What's the latest training are there? You can get it. New courses are available and you can learn it from here. We will go now to explore training here. Just click on it and we are there in training page to build our future. If anybody wants to make their career in cloud, then this platform is really awesome. Grab this opportunity and build your future in the AWS cloud. You can learn about the cloud fundamentals like AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials. It's a 6 hours of training where you can understand about the cloud computing and many more. If you like to go in detail, then go with View All Cloud Fundamentals Training. Here on this page, you can get the AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials course in various languages. You can learn it step by step in a simple method and can get hands-on in AWS free tier account for 12 months. See you guys on my next video. Till then, have a great day and bye-bye.